And you think, listening to them, that it would be such a struggle for them. But they said, actually, most of the sounds I can completely ignore. They just wanted to make sure that their hearing system was working as it should do and have a hearing checkup. You know, when you look at it on paper, you would say, right, okay, that patient's really struggling. This is something that we need to help them with. And they were absolutely fine. And you have somebody who has quiet tinnitus, and it is all consuming for them. It's such an individual problem, and that's why that this patient-centered approach is so important. And having that club and having these people to talk to really individualizes that and gives them the support that they need. So that's amazing.
Yeah.
Is it as well, Frida, I want to check, is it the club in various different languages?
No, only in English.
Oh, okay.
I think having it in German, Spanish, French, etc.